Bad man, they don't have nothing. I'm gonna think some pussy about them barber chair. But here what? Me under is here. Come, people. Under. Want me tell you how me get my under? Yeah. Just bust some tune for buy my under. No man can climb on my bumper. But no boy at all them a barber. Go suck out your mama pussy while you must be papa. I will take the boy about him run round here. Me I go tell you something about round here. Me are the baddest blood clot youth round here. But some boy at all about say them a done round here. What this? Some boy about me can't pass round here. And about me can't come round your back. Some of them attack me can't pass round your back. About countryman can't walk out your back. No boy at all about them run round your back. But one thing me tell them don't run this a spot. My youth say you don't run round here. My youth here want make a dopey round here. My youth you make gun bust round here. I think you make police live round here. I mean make yellow tape jar round here. Every man who dead and me kill them round here. So no pussy hole can diss me round here. Round here, pussy hole same place round here. Talk about you a bad man round here. And you not fuck no girl round here. I'm gonna think that baba boy do round here. Suck pussy round here, fuck bat round here. Bow cat round here, don't stay round here. Go on down there, no come back up here. Pussy, mine get me mad round here, man. Me step up back up in me and come back round here. With me old rustlers and come round here. Bop in your face, you get two round here. Let me tell you something about round here. Bam, y'all shit in your face round here. Bam, y'all put in your face round here. Y'all put in your face round here. But one thing, let me tell you about round here. When water gone a pipe round here, the girls them nasty, worry round here. Tongue batting give the gal them round here. Tongue batting give the gal them round here. Then lick from here, right down to there. Lick like bull and him lick like pear. I swipe the gal them business like pear. Cool. Don't say nothing in here, cause this is madman and superman affair. Go and tell you something what go on up here. Tell them what go on up here, 10 eel. Now Bowcat can come up here, number 2. Them can live up here. No man from 2 can stay up here. No man from 2 can come round here. No man from 2 can get no girl up here, cause 2 a batty man make them stay down there. Man don't nobody come up here. Go like your body now bust it up here. Who are the wickedest thing up here? Me not to call them come and girl they up here. Me no want hear about them girl up here. Beg a girl a fuck a girl tell me come for. But she want fuck me for me car bumper. Nicest fuck up on the 4-car tire. She never take a back shot on the muffler. Me cock it up and jack it up on the blinker. Me cock it catch a girl brought the spoiler. Me a go tell you something but me a danger. Me have to call the girl and say, Marcy, you come over. Come we go fuck on the kitchen counter. Come we go fuck on the kitchen counter. She said no, make a fuck on the blender. The nicest fuck up on the extractor. You never take a fuck girl on a grater. Cock it up, wind it up, in the strainer. We have to make bomb clock. And the body